Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change column width and width. So let's get started. So for right now, let's first create a column. So you can see right here, I have added a section. So from there, click on add element. And then from in there, just option for the strip right here. Or you can also head over and just look for the thing that you want the most. So you can also change this for gallery if you want. So as you can see, I have added the strip. Now what you can do is just click on this layout icon right here, and then you should be able to see here the add column. So you can change this column option for however you want. You can add more columns, you can change their proportions and all of that. So for this one, if you want to change their proportion, you can actually just drag this right here and then change it according to that. So for now, just head over and manage the columns. And then once you have done that, you can add another column if you want. Now in here, you should be able to see some options in order to change the layout. So just click on layout again, and then now that we have 3 columns, it will change the ratio in here. You can choose this to be like this, to be like this, or to be like this. It totally depends on you, or depending on how many columns you have on your actual website. So you can also just customize the proportion by using this. So we can change it like this. You can also add the column spacing and the padding. It totally depends on what you want to put in here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to adjust column width and width. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.